Oh look, they're like, what's going on over here? Look, it's all the mamas and the babies.
This is a petting zoo.
Look at him over there.
Yeah, that's straight up there.
Here, I'll take this out.
Yeah, you don't need that.
You like that? You want to go pet a goat? How about you? You going to pet a goat?
Sure.
Here comes one.
Look at little baby. Did you get him on the mom?
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, he did. Here's a little one.
Oh. Look at him. Oh, look, they have a feeder.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Where are you? What did you get that you're feeding him?
It's over here. I don't know.
Oh, no, she's got
she gets something else.
Oh, Spanish moss.
Yeah, whatever. So when the goats are puking in an hour, you'll know whose child's responsible.
Mom's group made him sick.
Yeah. Smile.
Guys, get up the ladder.
Emerson, say cheese.
Oh, look at him.
Well, that one's
That's a great little place for him. You know?
Wow, look at this one.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta look at me.
Andrew, what is that? That a goat?
Hello. How you doing, buddy? Hello. Hi.
Oh, I don't think you should do that, sweetheart, okay? Let's not touch that, please.
No, you're supposed to bring it down. You're supposed to go up and get it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, look, he thinks that.
Yeah, so like now you're just toying with it.
Do you like the goats?
Oh, okay, there, yeah.
Andrew, what do you think?
And the other is,
He's not quite woken up yet.
Like, what's going on? Should we let him down?
Sure, why not?
I feel bad.
Andrew, you're set free.
Just don't let him stick his hand.
I think it's a petting zoo anyways, but yeah, you do have to be
Well,
careful.
they have teeth.
They do.
Alright, you want to, should I put his jacket on? Okay, don't put your fingers up there. Look at how cute!
Hi, look. Andrew, come here. Andrew.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't put your fingers on there, we'll bite them.
Here, baby goat, baby goat, baby goat, baby goat. What do you think, buddy? Want to put you inside there?
Look at all the kids over here.
You want to go inside?
Let's go see over here.
Here they come.
Hello. Good.
I know.
Come on, Andrew. Come on, Andrew, let's go.
What does 50 feel like?
Ooh.
I'm a little bit too.
Oh, he's got lots of food now.
Okay. Look at it. Come here. Come here. How you doing? Here you go, buddy. Here you go.
Open your hand like this.
Look at the little baby. Oh, hey, Andrew.
look down there.
Uh-huh.
That's a big sheep, huh?
Uh-huh.
Right over there, Megan. That's right. Feed the baby. Can you feed the baby?
Here we go. Here.
Leaned up against the fence and my phone started vibrating. You feed the sheep?
Oh, look at this little guy.
Andrew, look. It's okay. Hello, little fella. It's a camera.
Yeah, we knew you would like it.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't want to.